All right, here is our first attempt at making color glue slime.
Yeah.
So I just got it in there. Get your baking soda, Audrey.
Pour it in.
Uh-huh.
Mama.
My kids are addicted to slime. Who isn't though, right? So satisfying.
Okay, I'm done.
Stir that in. That was half a tablespoon of baking soda. Then we're going to slowly add contact solution. It says 1.5 tablespoons, but we always usually do too much. It makes it break. So to be continued in a little bit. We're doing half of that, and then we're going to just slowly add what we need.
Okay.
Let's see if it did anything. Ooh, Teddy, it's starting to stretch. What color is that?
Blue.
Catboy blue. Ooh.
Ooh. Okay.
What do you think? Do we need to add more, or you just want to keep playing with it like that?
And more.
Okay. All right, we're going to add a little bit more. The same that we did the first time. I think that might do it. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
Ah. Hi, Teddy Fingers.
Hi.
I want to see the end result. It's going to be cool.
Bubble.
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 What's it feel like? Oh, wow. It is very sticky. I'm so afraid of this contact stuff. Feels cool. You want to get it out, or what Mama always say? Third time's a charm.
Yeah.
So we're going to do 3 of the
Hey.
half a tablespoons.
Hey.
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 All right, watch this. I think that's going to be perfect. Yep, that's going to be perfect. Now you just got to knead it and go with it.
Pretty. I made slime. And it's so sticky, but it feels so good. Ooh. So sticky.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Ooh. You should make this too, guys. So much fun. And you should like this video too. And bye. Bye.